Hello Filecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Filecoin price changes, so just to watch this video for more details and updates. Click the subscribe button for more videos, my friends. At this time, my friends, first of all we look at the latest price update of the Filecoin, and after that we discuss the next move, the next price target of the Filecoin, my friends. So the currently this time price of the Filecoin is 72.64 USD dollar. That is the current price update of the Filecoin. 72.64 is the current price of the Filecoin in a USD dollar, and the BTC price of the Filecoin is 0.00181986 is the BTC price of the Filecoin. And you can see here the market cap, total supply, available supply, every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. Market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Filecoin. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart, price changes of the Filecoin. My friends, you know what, from the yesterday the price of Filecoin is going down. And you know what my friends, a lot of people decide to sell Filecoin. They are disappointed from yesterday from a Filecoin. They understand that there is no idea to Filecoin take a jump in the future, but my friends, they are wrong. You know what, my friends, my personal prediction about Filecoin is 100% positive, and I believe that Filecoin will take a huge pump in the last half this month. That is why I recommend for everyone to please hold Filecoin in the last half of this month, my friends. That is why I recommend in my every video to please sell in the last half of this month, because the huge pump is coming soon of Filecoin, my friends. Anyways, remember that, my friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, my friends. So at this time I recommend for everyone to please hold, don't decide to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Filecoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.